Hi and welcome. In this video, you are going to learn how to create vectors and matrices in Python using the numpy library. A vector is a one-dimensional array of data. It represents one row or one column. A matrix, on the other hand, is a two-dimensional array of data with many rows and many columns. In data analysis, a column represents an attribute, and a row represents a record that is relevant to a specific entity. Now, let's begin creating vectors and matrices using the numpy library in Python. As usual, we use Jupyter Notebook to code our examples in Python. To be able to use the numpy library, we need first to import it. We write import numpy as nb. To create a vector, we need to use a function from numpy called array. To create a row vector, we write this code. Row_vector, which is the name of the variable, equals nb.array, then we enter our data in a list. To display this variable, we write its name, row_vector, and run the cell. As you see, this variable has the type array. To create a column vector, we follow the same approach, but we enter each data point in a separate list. I mean, each data point is enclosed in square brackets. To create a column vector, we write this code. Column_vector equals nb.array, then we enter the data points separately as a nested list. You can notice here the double square brackets for the nested list. To display the column vector, we write its name and then run the cell. Now for matrices, as an example, we are going to create a 2x2 matrix, which means it has 2 rows and 2 columns. To create a matrix in numpy, we use the same function, which is array, and we enter each row in a separate list. To create a matrix, we write this code. Matrix 2x2 equals nb.array, then we enter the data as a nested list, each row in a separate list like this. To display the created matrix, we write its name and run the cell. As you see, this is a 2x2 matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns. As an extra practice, let's create a 3x2 matrix. The code is matrix 3x2 equals nb.array, then we enter the data as 3 lists, each with 2 data points. We can display this matrix by writing its name, matrix 3x2. As you see, the matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. With this, we finished this video, where you learned how to create vectors and matrices using the numpy library in Python. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.